Hi, this is Ani Day Trades on StockTwits and Twitter, and daytradingwithani.com, where you can find my articles, my opinions, along with my trading services and music that accompanies it all. So there we go. We have now a new all-time high for the S&P 500. It's been long awaited, and it happened. We closed 13 points above the last one, almost exactly. And now we're going to be looking at what can happen next. Along with this, I wanted to point out how this progressed from one to the other and then drop back down. This opened this month right here at the top, dropped back down, and then of course emerged higher. Okay, let's take a look at the daily on this so we can have a little bit more of a perspective of what I'm talking about when I say when these long breakouts happen, these long candles, I tend to look for a 50% test, which would be down to about the 79.80 area, and even a retest, of course, the previous all-time high is possible. And remember this double top right here, this area being a pretty strong support area if it does drop below to test that. We had 3 strong days up, so that would not necessarily be out of the realm of possibility, especially with earnings coming up. And there's a lot of questions about what to expect. Okay, let's take a look at the Dow Jones Industrial the same way. I said that the S&P was now the leader. In my opinion, I typed in the wrong thing there, but of course, these are now neck and neck, and remember that the Dow already had a previous all-time high broken from 207. So this one is just a recent breakout, one more time, a little bit higher. It comes with the momentum and the excitement when once the 500 breaks through. Of course, the 30 would most likely break through. Still, it's a calmer water than, in my opinion, than sailing on calmer seas than the S&P, but keep an eye on this and this channel right here, where it could be touching fairly shortly, which would be around the 14.9 area, and then progressing up. I do recall saying that it would possibly hit the 15,320 area fairly rapidly once we broke out this last one. And also the S&P was once it broke out that 63 area, that was the signal of it going higher, as I remember mentioning that on my last tape. Okay, here we go. Let's take one more look at the NDX. So on this, again, I would be expecting some sort of test coming back down, and then seeing what happens. And again, the same story with the earnings coming up. We have to consider that. All right, so NDX, of course, left that head and shoulders pattern is looking like it's a bust right now. It did come back down to this level, but it's still not completed in my opinion. But you know, we have to go along with what's coming here. And once again, this test on this long candle, this is also very, very strong moving up. So there's not it would not be surprising if it comes down to test these levels one more time. Okay, notice that there's a volume surge here on the NDX. Okay, and that counts for something as well. Also remember, beyond the fact that we are going into an earnings season, that May is coming up too. So read my article on that, and that I'm publishing along with this today, and trade it well and carefully as always, and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye bye.